Welcome back to idiom series in Bhakti's video hub. Today's idiom is elephant memory. Elephant memory means huge memory or having a good memory. We'll see some examples by using the idiom elephant memory. First example, my grandma has an elephant memory and never forgets a birthday. Second example, he got an elephant memory and can recall the every conversation of years ago. Third example, she has an elephant memory and never forgets a face. Fourth example, my dad has an elephant memory and can remember the every details of his childhood. These are the some example by using the idiom elephant memory. You also try one more example by using the idiom elephant memory. Till then,